Short on ground space, but craving fresh fruit? Grow up. Not out in the next 20 minutes. I'll show you 10 perennial edible climbing vines that turn tiny balconies, fences, and narrow yards into year-after-year food machines. I'm from Green and Weezers, and I'll walk you through everything a small space gardener needs to know. Which vines are truly perennial in different climates, which ones are container-friendly, and which need a heavy-duty trellis versus a simple balcony rail. You'll get this single planting and training trick that saves hours of pruning each year. Clear guidance on pollination, which vines need male and female plants, or extra and practical soil and feeding tips, so your vines establish fast and fruit reliably. I'll also point out the common pitfalls: invasive habits, frost sensitivity, and wind damage, and show easy containment and protection strategies, so a vigorous vine doesn't take over your space. Stick with me and you'll finish this video knowing which 3 vines to try first. 4. Quick wins: how to set up a compact trellis or container system in a simple seasonal care routine that keeps a vertical garden productive for years. Grapes are one of the most productive food vines you can grow, and a single healthy plant can feed a family for decades. Once established, grapevines return year after year with heavier harvests, making them a long-term investment rather than a seasonal crop. They grow vertically, which means you can produce large amounts of fruit without sacrificing ground space. Grapes thrive in full sun and need strong support such as a pergola, fence, or wire trellis. Good airflow is critical, so spacing and pruning are essential. The soil should drain well, but grapes are surprisingly tolerant once established. With proper pruning, the vine directs its energy into fruit instead of endless leaf growth. Harvesting grapes is about timing. They do not ripen after being picked, so you must wait until they are fully colored and sweet. Taste testing is the best method. Grapes can be eaten fresh, dried into raisins, juiced, or fermented, making them one of the most versatile fruits you can grow. For beginners, grapes are forgiving, productive, and perfect for transforming unused vertical space into a living food wall. Passion fruit is a fast-growing vine that delivers both beauty and serious food production. Its exotic flowers are among the most striking in the garden, and the fruit itself is packed with flavor, vitamins, and aroma. In warm climates, passion fruit vines can begin producing within their first year. This vine loves full sun, rich soil, and consistent watering. Because it grows aggressively, it needs a sturdy trellis or fence. Left unmanaged, it can overtake nearby plants, so regular pruning keeps it productive and healthy. Passion fruit also benefits from good airflow, which helps prevent fungal diseases. Pollination is usually handled by bees, but in low pollinator areas, hand pollination can dramatically increase yields. The fruit is ready to harvest when it naturally drops from the vine. This is a key detail. Many gardeners miss fallen fruit is usually perfectly ripe. Passion fruit can be eaten fresh, turned into juice, or added to desserts and sauces. For gardeners wanting fast results, high yields, and strong visual impact, passion fruit is one of the best climbing fruits you can plant. Hardy kiwi is a cold-tolerant alternative to traditional kiwi, producing smooth-skinned, grape-sized fruits with intense sweetness. Unlike store-bought kiwi, these fruits can be eaten whole, no peeling required. Once mature, a single vine can produce hundreds of fruits each season. Hardy kiwi requires full sun to partial shade and extremely strong support. The vines grow thick and heavy, so weak trellises will fail over time. One of the most important details is pollination. Most varieties require both a male and a female plant for fruit production. Soil should be fertile and well-draining, with regular watering during active growth. Pruning is essential to prevent the vine from becoming unmanageable. Without pruning, it will focus on leaf growth instead of fruit. Harvest kiwi when fruits are firm but fully sized. They can be ripened indoors over several days. Hardy kiwi is ideal for gardeners in cooler climates who want a high-value fruit that stows well and produces reliably once established. Hops are commonly associated with brewing, but they are also an excellent utility vine for shade, privacy, and rapid vertical growth. In the right conditions, hops can grow over 20 feet in a single season, making them one of the fastest vines available. Hops thrive in full sun and nutrient-rich soil. They grow best when trained straight upward, on tall poles, wires, or because hops die back in winter and regrow each spring. They are easy to manage compared to woody vines. Only female plants produce the cone-like flowers used for brewing and herbal purposes. These cones are harvested when they feel dry and papery and release a strong aroma. Beyond brewing, hops provide dense summer shade and can cool buildings naturally. For gardeners looking for a multi-purpose vine that combines function and productivity, hops are a powerful option. Climbing raspberries allow you to grow berries vertically, making them ideal for small gardens. When trained properly, they produce high yields while improving airflow and reducing disease pressure. Compared to ground-grown canes, raspberries prefer full sun and fertile, well-drained soil. They benefit from trellis systems that keep canes upright and spaced. This not only improves fruit quality, but also makes harvesting easier. Regular pruning is essential to remove old canes and encourage new growth. Fruit ripens gradually, so harvesting every few days during peak season is important. Fresh raspberries spoil quickly, but they can be frozen, dried, or preserved. Climbing raspberries are an excellent choice for gardeners who want maximum production and limited space. With basic care and pruning, they reward you with sweet effort. Schisandra, often called the five-flavor berry, is a unique vine valued for both food and medicinal uses. The berries are known for their complex taste: sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and pungent, and have been used traditionally for energy and resilience. This vine prefers partial sun and consistently moist soil, making it ideal for woodland edges or shaded fences. It climbs moderately and does not overwhelm structures like more aggressive vines. Schisandra usually requires both male and female plants for fruiting, though some varieties are self-fertile. The berries grow in clusters and ripen to a deep red color. Harvest when fully ripe for best flavor and potency. Schisandra is a great choice for gardeners interested in medicinal plants, diversity, and long-term resilience rather than sheer bulk production. Akebia, also known as chocolate vine, is a fast-growing climber with edible fruit and ornamental value. The plant produces fragrant flowers followed by sausage-shaped pods that split open when ripe. Akebia grows well in full sun, to partial shade, and tolerates a wide range of soils. It is extremely vigorous, so pruning is necessary to prevent it from spreading too far. Because of this growth habit, it's excellent for covering fences quickly. The fruit pulp is edible and mildly sweet, or the rind can be cooked. Akebia is especially useful for gardeners who want a dual-purposed vine that offers both food and visual appeal. Asparagus beans, also called yard-long beans, are climbing legumes that produce long, tender pods. Unlike bush beans, they grow vertically, allowing for high yields and small spaces. They thrive in warm weather, full sun, and light. Frequent harvesting encourages continuous production. The beans are rich in protein and cook quickly, making them a valuable food crop. Asparagus beans are ideal for beginner gardeners and are one of the easiest vines to grow successfully. Air potato is a high-calorie vine grown in some regions as a survival food. It produces large underground tubers and aerial bulbs. However, it must be grown with extreme caution. Some varieties are invasive and regulated. Only edible varieties should be planted, and containment is essential. Grown responsibly, air potato can provide a large amount of food from a single vine. This plant is best suited for experienced gardeners who understand local regulations and containment methods. Bryony is included for education, not recommendation. While historically used, many species are toxic. It demonstrates why plant identification matters. Bryony grows aggressively and produces striking berries, but consumption without expert knowledge is dangerous. This vine serves as a reminder that not all edible-looking plants are safe. Understanding vines like bryony helps gardeners make informed, responsible growing decisions.